In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly reopen a closed Safari tab. Let's get started. Recently closed a Safari tab and then realized you'd like to get it back. You can do so by tapping the tap button in the bottom right, then long pressing the plus button in the bottom left. This will show you any tabs that you've recently closed, and you can simply tap on one to reopen it in a new tab. This only works for recently closed tabs though. If you want to find something that's been closed for a longer period, you'll need to check your Safari history. But if you've accidentally closed a tab just a moment ago and need to get it back quickly, this is a great tip to keep in mind. If you have any kind of visual impairments, there's an app on your iPhone called the Magnifier app that you should be using. Here's how to do it. First, open Control Center, then tap the plus button in the upper left corner to enter Control Center edit mode. Next, tap out of Control at the bottom of the screen in the Search Controls box at the top. Type in Magnifier. You'll see it listed under two sections, Capture and Utilities. These are exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which one you choose to select one, and it will be added to your Control Center. Now, the next time that you need quick access to the magnifier up, just swipe down to access your Control Center. Tap the magnifier button and you're good to go. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to iPhone Insider for more quick iPhone tricks, hidden features, and smart tips to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.